What is Laravel Seeder? Hey developers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to explore something super useful in Laravel Seeders. If you're tired of manually filling your database, this one's for you. What is a seeder? Seeders are like automatic data fillers. Instead of typing out records in your database by hand, a seeder allows you to create fake or sample data quickly. Think of it like planting data seeds into your database. Creating a Seeder PHP artisan make. Seeder users table Seeder Laravel makes it easy with artisan. Just one command and your Seeder file is ready. Inserting data with Faker. Use Illuminate, support, facades, db. Use Faker, factory as Faker. $Faker equals Faker. Create, for each, range, 1, 10, as $index, db. Table, users, greater than insert, name, equals greater than $Faker greater than name. Email, equals greater than $Faker greater than email. Password, equals greater than bcrypt, password. We use Faker to generate fake names, emails, passwords, anything you need. Running the Seeder PHP artisan db. Seed class equals users table Seeder 1 command, and boom, your database is filled with dummy users. Real-life use cases. Whether you're building an e-commerce site or a blog, Seeders are great for testing with real-looking data. Tips and best practices. Don't use in production with real users separate seeders for each table. Combine seeders using database seeder.php. That's it for today's Seeder tutorial. Hope you learned something new. Now, it's time for today's question. Which Laravel command is used to create a Seeder file? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's see who gets it right. A. PHP artisan db. Create B. PHP artisan make. Seed C. PHP artisan make. Seeder D. PHP artisan db. Generate. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your dev friends, subscribe for more practical Laravel tutorials, turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Thank you.